So the given problem is for the given transfer function of the system, obtain the state space representation. H of s is equal to s square plus 3s plus 4 divided by s square plus 7s plus 30. So for this one, you have to draw the that from two block diagram. So how to draw this one? So for that one, you can take the s square common on the both side. Okay. So therefore, you will get 1 plus 3 by s plus 4 divided by s square. And here you will get 1 plus 7 by s plus 13 by s square. Okay. So this s square and the s square get cancelled out. So this is called as zeros and this is called as poles, right? So first you have to draw the direct from two diagram, right? So you have 1 by s, and so since it is 1 by s square, so you have to draw 2 1 by s. Okay. And here you have a pole, right? So here and all you must have a pole, right? So what is it value? So it is 7, right? So here you have to write minus 7. So here this is minus 30. So you have to change the sign and you have to write. Okay. And here you have to write the zeros. Okay. So what is that value? It is 3. So you should not change the sign. Here that this is 4. Okay. So 1 by s square into 4. Okay. This is 3 into s. So this is my x of s and this is my y of s. Since we know y of h of s is a transfer function, that is output divided by input. Okay. So now I am going to term this one, right? This one as if I term this one as q2 dot, in order to represent in the state space representation, this is nothing but q1 dot. So if I integrate this one, I will get q2 here, right? So I can write q1 dash q1 dot is equal to q2, right? So both are same, and after differentiating you will get this one as q1, right? Okay. So how to write q2 q2 dot? So the q2 dot is nothing but, right, x of this is nothing but, sorry, this is x of t, right? This is x of t and this is y of t. So this is nothing but x of t, right? Q2 dot is nothing but x of t minus 7 q2, right? This is q2, right? Q2 minus 13 q1. Similar way I can write q1 bar, right? Q1 bar I have already written. So what is y of t? Y of t is equal to q2 bar, q2 dot plus 3 into q1 dot plus 4 into q1, right? So I can write like this. So here the q1 dot I can represent it as from the equation 1. This is my second equation, this is my first equation, and this is my from the, so if you substitute the second equation in this equation, you will get x of t minus 7 q2 minus 13 q1, right, plus 3 q dot plus 4 q1. So you know that q1 dot is nothing but q2, so I'm going to change this one as Q2. Okay. So what is my now what is my equation? X of t, right, minus 4Q2 minus 9 Q1. This is your y of t, right? So from the above equation, I can write what is Q1 dash Q2, Q1 dot Q2 dot. This is equal to, in the matrix form, I can write it as I will write Q1 Q2, right, plus x of t. So x of t into x of t. So this is a common term. For now, what is Q1? Q1 dot is 0 and 1. So if you multiply, you will get this matrix, you will get Q1 dot is equal to Q2, right? Similar way, I can write Q2 dot is equal to minus 7 minus 30, right, plus xt into, so xt into you have to multiply with 1 of 0, right? So 1 of 0, if you multiply, you will get the 0 of 1, right? So 0, this is 1. Since for Q1 dash, you will not get any values for x of t. So for Q2 dot, you will get the value of x of t, right? Next, yt. So yt also you have to write in the same format. Q1 Q2. So that is minus 9 minus 4, right? So if you multiply, you will get this one plus x of t. The value is 1, right? So you should not write, you don't want to write anything. Okay. So this is nothing but your, so this is nothing but your output matrix. This is called as output matrix. And this one is called as state matrix. And this is called as output equation, right? So from this equation, how to determine the, suppose if they given the value of this is my question, and they are asked to find, suppose this is my question and they are asked to find h of s, means how to determine. Okay, suppose this is my question, so I'm going to do the backward. So they can ask it in two ways, right? So what this formula is, so here we have identified the a value is this one, b is this one, c is this one, and d is 1. Okay. So suppose if this is given and they are asked to find the h of s, so how to find the h of s? So the formula for h of s is h of s is equal to c into si minus a inverse plus t. Okay. So first let us find out the si minus a. Okay. So si means this is si. Okay. So this is si minus a value. A value is they have given it as 0, 1, minus 13 and minus 7. This is a. So if you subtract, you will get s minus 1, 13, s plus 7. This is your si. Next, I need to find the si minus a, the whole inverse. Right. So the formula is 1 divided by the determinant of this value, and adjacent of this value. Okay. So in order to find the determinant, so the determinant of Si minus A, okay, that is equal to S into S plus 7 minus 13, right? Plus 13, sorry. So S square plus 7S by 13 is your determinant value. So here I have already find out the determinant of H of S. Okay. Next step, you need to find the adjacent of A, right? Adjacent of Si minus A. Okay. So to find that one, first you have to take the cofactor. So what is the cofactor of this one? So the opposite of this one is S plus 7, right? And minus of opposite of this one, that is minus 13, and the minus of opposite of this one is 1. Then opposite of this one is yes, right? So after that you have to take the transpose of this matrix. So if I take the transpose of this matrix, S plus 7, so the vertical and all you have to write, horizontal and all you have to write it in the vertical, minus 13, 1 and S. So this is your adjacent of Si minus A. Okay. So next, if you want to find the Si minus A, the whole inverse. So you have to take the Si minus A adjacent value, divide by the determinant value. The determinant value is S square plus 7S plus 30. Okay. So next you have to multiply this one with C. C value is nothing but minus 9 and minus 4. Minus 9, minus 4. So you have to multiply with S plus 7 divided by S square plus 7S. So if you bring this denominator inside this one, you will get this value. S square plus 7S plus 13. S divided by S square plus 7S by 30. Okay. So if you multiply, you will get minus 9 into S plus 7 divided by S square plus 7S plus 13 plus 13 into 4. Okay. Next, if I multiply with this one, 9 minus 9 divided by S square plus 7S plus 13 minus 4S. Okay. Next, you have to multiply the Si minus A with B. So what is the value of B? B is 0, 1. So let me take the entire term. I paste it here. Okay. So I have to multiply with 0 of 1. So you will get minus 9 minus 4S divided by S square plus 7S plus 30. Well, okay. Then you have to add with B, right? So the B value is nothing but 1. Okay. So minus 9 minus 4S divided by S square plus 7S plus 30 plus 1. So you will get minus 9 minus 4S plus S square plus 7S plus 13 divided by S square plus 7S plus 13. That is equal to S square plus 3S plus 4 divided by S square plus 7S plus 30. So this is your H of SRs. So you can verify with this question. right? So this is how we have to solve the problem.